Hello guys, Ivan KV is here and welcome to Shark Numbers. The AI field is growing and AI-powered trading tools become increasingly popular. In today's video, I'm going to review a unique startup that offers two interesting features. For one, there is a tool that you can use to test practically any trading strategy. The only thing you have to do is to be able to describe your strategy, and the AI tool helps you run tests. That includes back testing and live testing. And also there is the second cool feature, the second cool tool, and that is my favorite one. An AI chatbot that helps with financial research and analysis. The platform that I'll be reviewing today is called Pandamensional. And after talk, let's jump straight into it. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Unlike the majority of other AI-related tools that require an immediate payment, this platform, Pandamensional, allows you to run tests and capabilities of the platform free of charge. So you don't need to tie your credit card to Pandamensional if you want to test this platform out. It's 100% free. If you just have intentions to run tests, a free plan should be enough for you to check out the platform and make your own decision, which is great. For example, how would you test the efficiency of the RSI indicator in correlation with the Apple stock? Let's see, I want to track my hypothetical progress. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this platform features a variety of different assets, not just cryptocurrencies, but also stocks, bonds, and other assets. As an example, I'm going to use Apple, the stock, and I want to see if, for example, by utilizing the RSI indicator, I would have been profitable. So this is what the RSI indicator looks, but here I don't really see on TradingView, I don't really see if I would have been consistently profitable. So I want to run tests on the Pandamensional platform and see what would happen if I traded by using the RSI indicator. And so here I'm choosing my asset, can be a stock, it can be a cryptocurrency as an example. Once again, you can pick whatever you want, but as an example, I'm showing you what the Apple stock would look like. I'm choosing my asset, then let's say I want to see if my strategy would bring me profits. I'm picking the start date, I'm choosing the end date, and here is the section where I just need to describe my strategy. This is what I love about the tool. You don't need to learn how to use specific tools, you just use plain text and magic happens. Alright, let's see if the simulator is going to show anything of substance. My request is being processed and boom, I can see the summary. Not only can I see the results on the chart, but I can also see form of a summary, and it's kind of fun. The simulator strategy demonstrates a modest cumulative return of 4%, but its Sharpe ratio of 0.4 indicates that the returns are not strong relative. Here I can see which months were the most profitable, and I can see which ones would hypothetically bring me loss. I can see the volatility percentage, common sense ratio, average loss, average win, list of trades. I love how detailed this report is, and especially for people who consider themselves to be position traders or investors, this tool could be very, very useful because you don't need to guess, look at platforms like TradingView and guess whether you would have been profitable or not. You can just get a quick report that outlines all possibilities for you, and it's convenient, it's easy. But let's take a look at the other tool, and I have already started using this one on a regular basis. This tool, this feature is called OmniPanda, and what it does is it helps you run any form of analysis. I get this question a lot, and for example, every trader, every investor wants to know what asset is the best to put money in. A lot of traders want to know what asset is the most volatile, or we often want to know assets that are newly listed, assets that are the biggest gainers or the biggest losers losers. Picking the right asset to trade is time consuming and difficult, which is why platforms like Pandamensional represent value. Even though it's a small startup and I noticed a couple of imperfections here, it has huge potential to grow into a massive platform. Here you can see a couple of examples. Who are the top gainers in the market today? Or how does Tesla's revenue compare to Ford's? Before I even begin using this tool, I want to outline how important it is to discover tools like Pandamensional. Bloomberg, the company, charges $50,000 a month to offer similar services. Obviously, it's a different scale and there is more data, but you need to understand the difference. You can pay $9 for this Pandamensional tool. You can test it out for free, but essentially the next plan is $9.99. So, and get information related to assets and be able to discover assets quickly for a relatively low price compared to Bloomberg. All right, guys, enough talk. Let's take a look at how OmniPanda works. First, I want to see what happens if I click on this first template, this first example. It already exists, so let's see what's going to happen. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. You can literally see the top gainers in the market today by just requesting this information. You receive all the answers in real time. So I just requested a list of today's top gainers, and I see that Indian Railway Finance Corp, Adani Power, Tata Power Company, Life Insurance Corporation, and Jindal Steel and Power seem to be the strongest in the market today. I love the simplicity of this tool. I love the simplicity of this platform, and I love how affordable this service is at this moment. Once again, it's a small startup and everything seems to be affordable right now, but as the platform grows, I would expect the prices to increase. If you have a minute, feel free to check out this tool. Platform is called Pandamensional. You don't need to pay anything to be able to test it out if you enjoy how the platform works. If you enjoy the platform and you think it is useful, you can upgrade your plan. Just click on this Pro section, and Panda Pro is just $9.99 a month and Panda Pro Premium is $29.99. I'm done for now, guys. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KB out.